Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I am unboxing the absolutely gorgeous May main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. Now, if you're not already a kit subscriber, I will have a link listed down below in the description box where you can join and use my name, Melissa Minor, when you subscribe to receive a free gift. All right, there is so much in the kit this month. It is just jam-packed with product. I'm gonna set some of these things to the side, and we're gonna start with the sticker sheet and some paper to start looking at those, and then we'll look at all the other goodies that are included. So this month, the majority of the kit has the Simple Stories Pink Lemonade Kit contents, but we also get the Simple Stories Sunny Days sticker sheet. And there are so many good stickers on here. We've got lots of wordy bits, some titles, some icons, just really perfect for scrapbooking everyday moments. All right, so here we're gonna dive into the paper, and this is, like I said, the Pink Lemonade collection. So we've got the 4x6 cut aparts, and then on the back, we've got this really pretty lemon paper. Here we've got the 3x4 cut aparts, and I see lots of good ones. I like that Life Feels Bright. That's super cute. And then on the back, lemons with like this pinky color of cardstock. Then we've got this plaid paper with some florals. And let me hold this up so you can see all the really pretty flowers. And then on the back, we've got like the journaling bits. So you can cut these apart and use these for little journaling spots on your scrapbook layouts. Here we've got the tag elements, so lots of tags here. I like that shine every day, that's super cute. Lots of really cute summary icons, and this might be my favorite paper. It says, love this life, love this life, love this life, over and over and over again. So I know I want to use that one. And then the back, this really pretty floral. Here we've got another plaid design with lots of colors, and then a pink paper with some lemons. We've got a strawberry pattern paper here, and then another plaid, a yellow plaid this time with florals. We've got a green plaid here, and then on the back we've got a floral pattern. This is really pretty too. I like this polka dot, like dark pink and light pink. And then, ooh, a really pretty butterfly pattern paper. We've got this design here that's more like reddish. And then we've got strawberries on the back. We've got stripes in various colors. Hope you can see that. I'll hold it up to the camera. And then, oh my goodness, look at the florals here. And then we've got a yellow polka dot paper. And then on the back, just different lemons. That's really neat. That totally looks like Simple Stories to me. All right, so let's start looking at all the other goodies. So here is a cut file. It's already pre-cut and included in your kit, but as a kit subscriber, you also receive a code which you can go online on the My Creative Scrapbook website, and you can download any of their cut files and you can size them to, the size that you want. So this is a puppy sticker sheet, and these are foam stickers, and these are the Sunny Days collection. But you can see there's so many good titles here. We've got Good Vibes, Happy Days, Smile, Yay, So Much Fun, Summer, Sunkissed, Life is Good, Hello, Summer Lovin', Squeeze the Day. So another hint to the lemons. Then we received the cardstock stickers. These are the icons for the Pink Lemonade collection, 72 stickers. So there's lots in here. This is like their new packaging. I hadn't really seen this yet. And then we've got the wordy bits, Life is Better with You in It. I love that. It's the best day ever. And lots of the icons, a couple little strips here. And then I'm not going to open this one, but these are the floral bits for Pink Lemonade. 62 pieces. You can kind of see the back here. Lots of different florals, and we've got fruit. So we've got strawberries and lemons and butterflies and leaves, and so pretty. And then this, I am crazy about this. So this is the Simple Stories Pink Lemonade chipboard pieces. There's 51 pieces, and I kind of think that maybe Simple Stories has redone these. They are thicker than I remember in other kits, and you get more of them. There's 51 in here. So let's look through some of these. I was just going to kind of put some out, but man, I really, really like these. So here's the fruit. I'm going to separate the fruit and the florals. We've got some words and just so many good things in here. And I can't describe, I can't put into words like how good these are. Just they're a lot thicker. I can tell you that. There's a lemonade cart. There's a lemon. What do you call those? Windmills? No. What do you call those? Oh my goodness, I can't think of what it's called. Let's see here. I'll just flip through here so you can see. There's a lemonade pitcher. Oh, look at this camera, and it matches that one pattern paper. I love that. Look on the sunny side. There's another lemon, florals. Ooh, this is a big hello. Lemon, there's like a lemonade, good times. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of these out so you can see these too. Then we've got a little frame, pink lemonade, some little stamps, some more words, fruit, picture, perfect, sunshine. Ooh, I could use the camera, and then wasn't there a sun? Yep, here's a sun. That'd be really cute. Some more fruit. And I think that's a cloud, a flower, and a strawberry. So you get tons in this kit. I'm not done. So also included in your kit every month is a sketch. So this is just to get you going using your kit. Everyone on the design team will use this. So we'll have lots of inspiration later in the month for you. And I really like this. And then what I did this month, something kind of different, is I just went through some sketches that I had like pinned or saved, and I printed them. So that way I'll have some ideas. I'm not sure I'm going to use all of these or any of them, but at least I've got something going here to put in my kit, and I'll be ready to start creating. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, leave me a thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. And yeah, hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when I start the next video. Bye.